Alienware Aurora R16 vs Razer Blade 16. To be clear, the Alienware Aurora R16 is a desktop gaming PC, while the Razer Blade 16 is a gaming laptop. Here's a concise comparison. As for the performance of Alienware Aurora R16, it equipped with desktop-grade components like the Intel Core i9-13900K processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, it delivers superior performance, achieving higher frame rates and smoother gameplay in demanding titles. And for the Razer Blade 16, it features mobile components such as the Intel Core i9-13900HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU. While powerful, it may not match the raw performance of the Aurora R16 due to its laptop architecture. Going through their specification, the Alienware Aurora R16 has a CPU of Intel Core i9-13900K, GPU of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, a RAM ranging up to 64GB DDR5-4800 and a storage expanding up to 4TB NVMe SSD. As for the specifications of Razer Blade 16, it has a CPU of Intel Core i9-13900HX, a GPU of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, a RAM ranging up to 64GB DDR5-5600 and a storage expanding up to 4TB NVMe SSD. As for the price of these two, the Alienware Aurora R16 starts around $1,600, configurations with RTX 4070 are approximately $2,500. While the Razer Blade 16 begins at $2,700, RTX 4070 configurations are about $3,500. For their ratings, Alienware Aurora R16 praised for its performance and design, though some reviews note limited upgradability due to proprietary components. And the Razer Blade 16, acclaimed for its sleek design and portability, but its high price point is a consideration. So in conclusion, choose the Alienware Aurora R16 if you prioritize maximum performance and upgradability in a desktop setup. And for the Razer Blade 16 if you value portability and are willing to invest in a high-end gaming laptop. And that's all of it. I hope this been helpful to you somehow, and if yes, please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about this, but that's it then. Thank you.